Okay, now we're gonna prepare the post-closing trial balance and the 8-2 work together. The first step is to identify the post-closing accounts, and then the second one is to do the post-closing trial balance. So here it lists the accounts from the general ledger of Fix-It Now, and we need to indicate which of the accounts will appear on the company's post-closing trial balance, and just check mark the ones that will. So remember that what goes on our post-closing trial balance is our asset accounts, our liability accounts, and our capital account. And so we're going to have our cash, petty cash, accounts receivable, supplies, prepaid insurance. These are all of my assets. Now I'm also going to have my liability of accounts payable and then my capital account. Remember, not all owner's equity, just the capital, because we will end up closing all of the rest of these accounts. So we can grade step 1 and move on to the next step. So here it shows us our general ledger to be able to get the information from, so I can pin it to be able to see this a little easier. Okay, and now I'm just bringing down the balances here, and I have to remember which one is in debit and credit. So we're preparing this post-closing trial balance. So cash has a debit balance of $4,900. Petty cash, debit balance of $75. Accounts receivable, a debit balance of $1,387. Supplies, a debit balance of $75, so remember to go into that balance. Prepaid insurance has a debit balance of $250. Accounts payable, this is a liability, so it does have a credit balance of $267. A capital has a credit balance of $6,420. Okay, and now I need to total my two columns. So I'm actually going to unpin that and bring it down. Okay, so take some time to total this up. And I end up here with 6,687 for the debit. And I end up with 6,687 on the credit. Again, making sure that they equal. So you can see that they've put the single line here to tell us we're totaling there, and then the double line when they are equal there. Remember, on paper, you will have to draw the single line and you will have to draw the double line. Once that's completed, grade final step, and you can go on to the on your own. Once you finish the on your own, you can go into your application problems of 8-1 and 8-2.